It was the beginning of time. A faint breeze was radiating from a distant black hole. The hairs on each of her 8 legs trembled. She squatted at the centre of her silver web and meditated silently as she methodically pulled a strand of pure silk from her spinnerets. This shining thread she carefully hung across the endless space-time continuum. The sparkling web grew. It throbbed and rocked to and fro like a living hammock, swaying from one time dimension to another, sending forth momentary flashes of light into the hollow universe. A tiny embryo of life, swaddled in silken thread, was captured on a junction of the web. Its destiny was to be placed in either her larder or her garden. Which would it be? She gazed at the muddy great ball of the sun and at the small static blob of the earth and made her choice. With one twitch of a curved claw, a sparking molecular charge shot forth and set alight the tinder of the sun. With one twist of a silken filament, she whipped the earth into a slow spin, like a great green and blue spinning top in the heavens. With one bite of her jaws, she nibbled off a small lump of the earth. Juggling it from pulp to pulp, she formed it into a moon-shaped ball and then threw it spinning high into the earth's orbit. The tiny embryo of life wriggled and mewed plaintively. She crouched over it and gently unravelled the silken thread until it was stretched tight across space-time. One end of it remained attached to the infant's fragile heart, and the other was stretched to infinity. Then, with the lightest of touches, she lowered the life seed down to the earth and planted it softly in the garden soil of Africa. What will be, will be.